Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to edit videos on Snapchat. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The first step is to open Snapchat on your device. Now you can record a video from your Snapchat camera to edit, or you can choose any video from your phone camera roll. I am choosing this video from the camera roll. Once you have played the video in Snapchat, you can see many editing features. Now tap on this arrow, M, so that more features will be visible. Now when you swipe one by one, you will see various effects that are being applied to the video. Swipe until you find the one that looks good on the video. You can also change the speed of the video by swiping. If you think that there is no need of any effect, then simply tap on the blank one. Now there will be no filter on your video. The next step is to add music. If you want to add music, tap on the music icon. Here it will many songs. Select one or search for the song that you want to add. You can also trim the song and choose the part of the song that you like. Now the next step is to tap on stickers. Here you will see plenty of stickers. According to every mood, you will find stickers. You can also search for stickers and Bitmoji related to every mood, object, or text. Now you can also crop or rotate the video by tapping on this square icon. You can zoom into your video, crop it, or rotate it. Set as you like to do. Now last but not least, you can also add text by tapping on the T at the top. Change the font, style, and color of the font. Play around with these features and edit your videos. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.